Welcome back to Bustup Stonkers. Today, Castaways Beach was looking better than ever, and I had a feeling it was absolutely crawling with stonkers. So stick around and see what we got. This guy's insane. This is the smallest thing on earth. I went down to the beach and I saw Curdy was already there. It looked like he was trying to get sandworms. Curdy, are you having any luck? Yep. He was on it. Sandworms are a really good bait for getting the stonkers down at the beach. That is, if you can catch them.
Can't grab it.
But with little success on that front, we figured it's more worth it if you just use the bait from the store. Hey! What is it? Is it a dart? Nice. Absolute stonker. And don't worry, we chucked the little guy back. You given up on getting sandworms for today?
No, I'm gonna do it later.
Alright. So it was back to fishing, so that we could get an absolute stonker. Got another. What the? Oh, it's another dart. Whoop-de-doo. It's another stonker dart. Might even be the same one. He's been baited. Baited by a stonker. Not good, mate, not good. He just caught another. You are, no, that's an absolute stonker.
Hey?
3 with 1 worm, they don't even eat it. Well, that's the 3rd dart. And just when I thought there was going to be a 4th, something amazing happened. Oh! Oh my gosh! What a stonker! Now, I thought this big guy was a brim, but I got home and it's actually called a tarwhine. What do you think of that fish, Kale?
Oh, biggest fish I've seen in my life.
That is a bold claim.
Yeah.
Oh my God, forget that other brim. This guy's insane.
This is the smallest thing on earth.
Jerry, stand back. Big fish in the catching, okay? Hey! We were sick of the dart and the tide was rising, so we left and came back later that day. Curdy, have you had any luck while I was gone? Could he have something on the line? I don't know. Oh, would you look at that? It's another dart. No, you idiot. It's a whiting.